Welcome. Another science topic here on the Clicked Up TV. Going ahead and hit that like. Going ahead and hit that subscribe button. The news is getting better with time. So here, I'm just giving a brief explanation of the origin of corn. Now, corn, between 6,000 and 10,000 years ago, Native Americans living in what is now Mexico began domesticating Teosinte, which has the meaning of the grain of gods. Through genetic archaeology, we see that teosinte and maize are alike. Now, maize is another name for corn. That's what the Native Americans used to call corn. It was called maize. And maize and teosinte are alike in many ways. Now, how is teosinte different from corn, aka maize? Well, teosinte was like the ugly stepchild. The plant typically had many long branches, each bearing multiple small ears. A teosinte ear is only 2 to 3 inches long with 5 to 12 kernels. So you know that's not much to feed no one with only 5 to 12 kernels and only being 2 to 3 inches long. Now, corn, on the other hand, has an ear which is 12 inches long and boasts about 500 or more kernels. Corn originated across America way before foreigners settled on the land. Today, corn is distributed across the world and has many uses. It is the most important crop in the United States. Now, without teosinte, there wouldn't even be no corn. Man used many generations of selective breeding to transform a wild teosinte grass with a small grain into a rich source of food, which we know today as corn. As we consume corn in its natural state, straight off the cob, there's many more uses. Corn is in our breakfast cereal, our tortilla chips. Corn is in soda. It has corn syrup as well as high fructose corn syrup. It's in cooking oil. And it's the main source for feeding livestock. Corn is one of them human inventions. This plant does not exist naturally in the wild. Let me repeat. This corn is a human invention and does not exist naturally in the wild. It can only survive in the wild if human beings plant and protect this seed until it grows into a corn stalk. It has to be planted and protected by humans. And if you choose to eat, chewing corn longer can help the digestive system to break the corn cellulose walls. So that's a brief introduction into corn. If you want more information in regards to this vegetable, please comment below. If you have any other vegetables you would like to know a brief history on, comment below. Thank you for tuning in to Clicked Up TV. I'm out.